Good day, everyone. Our devotion for today is from the book of Genesis, chapter 6, verse 1 to 4. When the men began to increase in numbers on the earth, and daughters were born to them, the sons of God saw that the daughters of men were beautiful, and they married any of them they chose. Then the Lord said, May the Spirit will not contend with man forever, for he is mortal. His days will be 120 years. The Nephilim were on the earth in those days, and also afterward, when the sons of God went to the daughters of men and had children by them. They were the heroes of old men of renown. Amen.
Have a blessed morning to everyone. My devotion for today is from chapter 6, verse 5 to 8. The Lord saw how great the wickedness of the human race had become on the earth, and that every inclination of the thoughts of the human heart was only evil all the time. The Lord regretted that he had made human beings on the earth, and his heart was deeply troubled. So the Lord said, I will wipe from the face of the earth the human race I have created, and with them the animals, the birds, and the creatures that move along the ground. For I regret that I have made them. But Noah found favor in the eyes of the Lord. The word of the God. Amen.
Okay, blessed morning to all of us, and our devotion for today is found in Genesis chapter 6, verses 9 to 12. Noah and the flood. These are the generations of Noah. Noah was a righteous man, blameless in his generation. Noah walked with God, and Noah had 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Now the earth was corrupt in God's sight, and the earth was filled with violence. And God saw the earth, and behold, it was corrupt, for all flesh had corrupted their ways on the earth. Okay, to God be the glory in reading His Word.
Kaya sinabi niya kay Noe, Lilipulin ko ang lahat ng tao. Dahil sa kanila lumaganap ang kasamaan sa mundo. Lilipulin ko sila kasama ng mundo. Kaya ikaw, Noe, gumawa ka ng barko mula sa matibay na kahoy, at gawan mo ito ng mga kwarto. Pagkatapos pahiran mo ng alkitran ang loob at labas ng barko. Gawin mo ito na may sukat na 450 talampakan ang haba, 75 talampakan ang luwang, at 45 talampakan ang taas.
Mapagpalang araw po muli sa ating lahat. Akin po muli ibabahagi sa inyo ang pang-araw-araw na pag-aalin ng aking puso mula sa salita ng Diyos. Sinasabi po dito sa ika-6 na Genesis, versikulo 16 hanggang 19. Atipan mo ito at lagyan ng bintana sa paligid, 1 talampakan at kalahati mula sa dulo ng atip. Gawin mong 3 grado ang daon at lagyan mo ng pintuan sa tagiliran. Palubugin ko sa tubig ang buong daigdig at malilipol ang lahat ng may buhay sa balat ng lupa. Ngunit ako'y makikipagtipan sa iyo. Isama mo ang iyong asawa at mga anak na lalaki, pati mga asawa nila, at pumasok kayo sa daon. Magsakay ka ng 1 pares ng bawat uri ng hayop at huwag mong pababayaang mamatay. Ito po ang mga salita ng Diyos. Salamat po sa Diyos. Amen.
Genesis chapter 6 verses 20 to 22 says, 2 of every kind of bird, of every kind of animal, and of every kind of creature that moves along the ground will come to you to be kept alive. You are to take every kind of food that is to be eaten and store it away as food for you and for them. Noah did everything just as God commanded him. Amen.